I've got a Walmart beauty box, and I love these things. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. Subscribe to my channel because you're going to love it here. That's all I got to say about that. I've got a Walmart beauty box. These come out every season. So, in case you don't know your seasons, winter, spring, summer, fall. I think I got that in the right order. And they're $5 a box. Now, this isn't, BoxyCharm or Allure. Did you catch my Allure video the other day? It's Walmart brands. But for $5, you're really getting a pretty good box. I'm going to leave my link for that below. You can just click right on it. It'll open right up over at Walmart. You can get signed up. And what I really like is right before they mail the box out, they make sure they have your address correct. First thing we have is Pantene Intense Rescue Shots for your hair. Pretty cool. Next, we have a really nice sample of Curel. Is this a sample? This is pretty big. Hydrotherapy, pretty big. I wouldn't go so far as to call it a sample. A nice size lotion bottle. Unicorn Glow Hologram Mask. Friend! What? Hologram mask? Unicorn Glow? I'm loving this. If you don't follow me on Instagram, on Friday nights I do masks. And if you like to do masks, tag me. I want to see what masks you're doing. We can talk about masks on Friday nights. It's Paper Me Friday. You're going to want to see that hologram mask. You're going to want this box. This is an Olay Daily Facial Wipe. Don't really love the Olay wipes. Oh, we still got more left. Collagen Lip Mask. Oh, I love these things. I'm so excited about this. Neutrogena. Like it. We've got a Whole Blends shampoo and conditioner. And check this out. This is new. What? Smells weird. Beautiful little bag. This is a really, really pretty bag. Got little raindrops. Look at that. And it's got Walmart. Still, this is really pretty. I actually really like this. This is better than some of the Ipsy bags I've gotten. But it is kind of shiny, and I like shiny. See? I told you it was good. Go get you one. You're going to want this. For $5, even if you're not big into beauty boxes, this is a great little sample box. Some pampering stuff. Come on, go get it. Go get it. Do it. Treat yourself. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Thank you so much for watching. I really try to have fun over here, and I hope you have fun too. If there's anything you want to see, be sure and let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to get to that video soon. Thanks so much for watching. I already said that. See you real soon. Bye.